So, hi friends. Last time we have given this whole thing, right? So, today we are going to do this section ID new style width colon 100. Okay, so you have to give this, and then H1 what's new, then you have to give P. Okay, so this here I have given section ID new, so like what is new in our school, so I've given this. So you can give anything information, like you can give video or any information from Wikipedia, you can give an article or anything. Next you have to give the end of the section. Next you have to give HR, div, class, page header, then ID is equal to campus life. H2 class is equal to text capitalize campus life. So here, like this is the campus life where we are like giving some things. Okay. So here I have to give div class is equal to row, div class is equal to travel underscores main div. So this D you have to give capital, then you have to give image class is equal to image responsive, like it will be responsive. Then you have to give src. So I have given my src, which is this one. So I've given this one, the library one src. Okay, download.jpg. Then you have to give h4 class is equal to text capitalize, and then we have to give text capitalize, and then you have to give kbd school library. Okay, so like it will come in a dark thing like this. I'll show you how. So here is my campus life, here's the what's new section. So this is the what's new section. I've given this whole information about what's new in our, this is the campus life. So this is the school library which I was telling you. So this is the kbd section, like it will be darkened, outlined. Okay, next you have to give an hr, h5 tag class is equal to text dash success text left text capitalize. Then you have to give was established in 1990. So you have to give like when was it made, like this. And then you have to give an p class text muted text left. Our school library are so much books to read, so I've given this much information. Then you have to give it, you can copy it and then you can paste it. Then you have to give one more image, like so this is image one. Okay, this one, editorium one. Okay, then you have to give h4 class text capitalize kbd editorium. Then you have to give hr, h5 was established, so I've given it, and then I've given b perform acts in that same. Then you have to give end of the div, make a new div, same that information. Okay, next you have to give end of the div. So this is one div class is equal to row. This is the div which is ending after my three D's. Okay, then you have this one, end of the div is this one. ID is equal to campus lab. This is the main. Okay, so then you have to give this div class page header id news, like what is new in our this. Okay, so you have to give h2 class is equal to text capitalize, then you have to give the news. Okay, then next you have to give ul class is equal to list dash group, li class is equal to list dash group dash item, list dash group dash item dash success. So like this li I will give you. Okay, then you have to give item a column. You have to give column lg12 md12 sm12 xs12 environment dash environment underscores li. And then you have to give h4 tag, you can give anything news about your this school. So I have seen this news from here, so I've given like Ryan International School news, Ryan International School news. Okay, so here it is, Ryan International School news. News you have to click. So like here are so many. Okay, so I've given this and one more I've given. Now it is not there. Okay, yeah, this one I've given. So you have to just click on this. Okay, when like you have to copy some things, like you have to copy this image and this. So I've given the heading in this h for this one, and I've given this paragraph, this paragraph. Okay, so so I've given only two types of news, like one was this and one is this radio day. Okay, so I've given this daily school events radio day, then I've given the paragraphs. Okay, and the image. So this is the thing I've given from the news. Okay, so this is the, so first you have to give image src, and this, then you have to give class equal to image responsive, then you have to give column lg5 sm5 md5 access 12. Okay, then you have to give p tag, like the paragraph I've told you about. Okay, like that. Then you have to give like here's the li one, this is the li, so this should end here. Then you have to give one more li. Okay, this whole you can copy it, then you can like make the changes as the same. Okay, then you have to give end of the ul, this is the whole ul. And next is div class is equal to page header id achievements, then you have to give like h2 class equal to text capitalize school achievements. Okay, next you have to give div class equal to big primary movie underscores head data toggle collapse data target slash school, and then you have to give like anything, any like anything. Then you have to give inspirational woman. I have given inspirational woman, then I've given I class equal to fafa sort dash desk, and then end of the div. Okay, then I have given div id is equal to school, like this is the id, then a class equal to collapse div a column lg3 md3 sm3 access 12. Image src is equal to download 20%, this one. Okay, this one Madam Grace Minto, I've given this one. Next you have to give div class, you have to give like image responsive image thumbnail, then you have to give this one div class column 9 column large 9 md9 sm9 access 12 movie underscore text. H5 class is equal to text success, text left, text capitalize, span. So these are the stars, like when in the Play Store they're giving the stars right in the app. So like, so this is the stars. You have to give glyphicon stars. Then end of the span. Okay. Next you have to give P, like anything you can give. So in that, then you have to give end of the div, end of the div. You can give like you can copy and paste it 3 times. So I've given like 3, and how does it look like, I will say, I will tell you. So like this needs some css also, I will tell you what will be the css. So here is my school achievements. Just a sec, this is the news and this is the school achievements. Okay, this one it is. See, 5 stars are there. Then certificate by Narendra Modi, then certificate for best brand school. Okay, then it is the article of Ryan, so this one we will do in a next video. So here we have to give this 3 times, and I will tell you in the style.css what you have to give. I will give you body, you have to give color blue, text algin center. So this you can give color any color. I've given text align is for center, you can give any color. Then you have to give in the slash welcome. So what is this slash welcome? So this is the id which I've given in this, right? This one, this id, like in the home what you have to give, this is a particular id for home. Okay, so here I have background linear gradient, so you have to give the color code 0%, the next color code 100%. So how you will get these color codes? So you can search the Google fonts, I will show you. Google fonts, sorry, there's it's not Google Fonts, it is Google Color Picker. Okay, Google Color Picker. So here you have to give it will be like it will come color picker HTML colors. Okay, here will be some colors. So I have this, right? So I'm having this. If I want this color, so here is the code. So you have to just copy this code and paste it in that. First 0%, then you have to give it as 100%. Then you have to give display run dash in dash dot row colon after. Then you have to give this curly bracket content. You have to give not anything, just give double brackets, clear both, display table dot travel underscores main div. Okay, float left width 33.33%, padding 5 px, border 1 px, solid c7 c7 c7. Next you have to give dot movie dash head. So like if you are giving for the movie, right, which one we have seen now only, for this inspirational woman, this one, you have to give this code for it. Okay, so I have given for the designing, I have given these all. Okay, for the that movie head, I have given dot movie underscores head, font size 20 px, padding 6 px, 22 px, border dash radius 10 px, margin bottom 15 px, width 100%, display inline block. So this one we'll do in a next video. Okay, so I will give this whole code, this to this, okay, in the description. Okay, so bye friends.